So it's my occasional pilgrimage, I haven't been since before the pandemic, to the New York International Auto Show. And here we are. There's some interesting stuff I'll report on them. Of course, it's mostly EVs this year, and I'm still an internal combustion engine sort of guy. I mean, if I were a commuter, I could go for an EV. So, I am looking forward to seeing the new Corolla, however. That should be pretty cool. Here we are at the booth for cars you cannot afford. The Rolls, the Tetson. Just looks like a Porsche conversion to me. The Koenigsegg, which I think is the fastest production car. I'm not sure. Last night I was driving up West Side Highway past Javits Center, and there was a line of cars to get into the parking garage, and it was all supercars and monster trucks. The new Lamborghini. Who could ask for anything more? Tell me, why does the Subaru display look like a Disney attraction? Or Cabela's. It's hard to tell the difference between Cabela's and Disney sometimes.
No. I don't know why they gave them all the same color, but they're not all the same color.
Right. They say the two most popular cars in America right now are the Crosstrek and the Corvette. And I can understand that. Those are my two favorite cars right now. Ooh. It's Godzilla, the GTR. What a beautiful car this is. So this is it, the GTR.
New York City is that time. It is the best time of the day.
I really like the adjustable
Nissan
seats.
Thrill Street Trivia happening right now. We are giving
I wonder how
away
fast it
our
goes.
best prize of the day.
It's the Z. I love the Zs. I've loved them since the 70s. They're still one of the greatest roadsters ever made. And so much fun to drive.
New color being snowed on right over there. What's the proper name of the new copper color on the auto?
Look, it's the new Ford Ranger, and this comes with a tent for your German Shepherd. Yeah, but really the thing I'm most interested in is the Corvette. Why, look. Here's Ford showing off the acceleration of the electric Mustang. The line was too long. I decided not to do it. Well, here it is, the 70th anniversary Corvette Stingray. Apparently, this is the last model year Camaro.
You did a nice job on this. Yeah, they said next year is the last.
So, this is the part where you ask me what kind of car I drive. So here's that new Corolla.
You want to say hybrid? Okay, so let's go with about 10.
I like the color.
Next day or so. 10 is fun.
Ooh, it's game time.
Everybody
we play this game? Which one do we do, 10 or 7, Johnny?
Let's do 10.
Okay, 10. Everybody, do you think the actual number of electrified Toyota vehicles is higher?
Maybe
or
with the
lower
hatch
than
down, it
10?
would look
Everybody
better.
play. Higher,
I'm not sure.
higher, higher, lower.
So you know me, I'm all about a hot hatch. And this is supposed to be the hottest of the new hot hatches. It's the new Toyota
We're
Corolla.
all going to yell out
It's a bit
our
cramped in
favorite
here.
Toyota as loud
Yeah,
as
so not only that, but the Supra has enough headroom that I can even wear my hat when I'm sitting in it. That's pretty good. I am totally digging on this red Toyota Supra here. This is a great looking sports car. Oh yeah, I'm loving this. Here are the important cars on the show.
It's plug-in driver, the car that comes out the street.
Next we have our battery electric vehicle. You can
Yeah,
plug it in
these are
and
pretty cool. So here's something I was hoping to see this trip. The Subaru Baja, which is really just the reinvention of the Brat. I mean, it's a little bit bigger. When I was growing up in California, everybody wanted compact pickup trucks. I mean, the only SUVs were the big Broncos at the time. You know, you could do worse. I can make a nice little tourney vehicle. Lots of Lamborghinis and Maseratis and other supercars down here. I am by far more interested in this Lancia. How gorgeous is that? Okay, Ken Monshine, I found your next vehicle. This is what you need right here. Ram 2500 turbo diesel. This will haul 2 jousting horses. So here I am in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Unfortunately, the only things that I'm really comfortable sitting in are the giant SUVs. I should sit in the VW van, shouldn't I? I mean, for Dad's sake, right? My whole life, or most of it, Dad always had a Volkswagen van, but it was a camper van, a pop top. That was his regular car. Because in 2 hours, well, 2.5, we could be on the floor of Yosemite Valley cooking steaks and sipping wine in what we called camping. I would love to see a Vanagon conversion of this. So just check out the air filter on this 1970 Barracuda. Oh my God. I have never been this close to a 57 Maserati 300. What a thing of beauty. Check it out. It's the new Bronco Sport. This is an awesome looking car. I wonder how it goes off-road. That large gentleman says it's too small, so it's probably too small for me too. What's the best looking American car? Well, it might be the Corvette. Might be the GT. Then again, there is just something about the current Mustang. It's got just a little bit of a Ferrari Daytona look to it. And I've rented them a couple of times, and they are so much fun to drive. So here I am sitting in this Mustang, and I gotta say that with the exception of that Dodge 2500 turbo diesel and maybe the Volkswagen van, this is by far the most comfortable car I've sat in all day. I mean, for cars, this is the best. Just the right amount of room, seat at just the perfect angle, just the right amount of legroom. I mean, and I'm 6'3". I don't even have to stretch to reach the steering wheel. Everything's great in this car. I could live with this. Back when I was selling Fords in the 80s, the days of the old Fox bodies, everybody who came onto the lot wanted to see the same thing. It's kind of this monosyllabic sentence they just shot out. GT 5.0 rag. It's the car everybody wants. And I still love it. It won't be around much longer. The 5-liter Mustang. Enjoy them while they're still here. So it is appropriate. Last car of the day is the GT 5.0 Mustang. Convertible. Manual transmission. Just sets my heart afire. I loved these things when I sold them back in the 80s, and I love them today. They are just such amazing cars. Bye, everybody.